Believe it or not, I already have a question for you. What's the difference between this business professional and this one? Believe it or not, I've been in both places, and I can tell you that the difference between the two isn't always what's on the outside, it's what you're feeling and going through on the inside. My name's Erin Olson, and I've been the owner of PC Keys Technology Solutions for a little over 15 years, and I've been in both of those positions. Before I learned about QuickBooks and began using it for my own business, I felt like that first person, a little frazzled, struggling to figure out exactly where I was with my business. But after QuickBooks, I'm the second person, more confident in knowing exactly where I am, what my income is, and what I can expect. In this course, Mastering QuickBooks 2009 by Total Training, we're going to get you to the position where you can be that second person as well. We'll go through everything you need, from creating a company file to creating accounts, working with transactions, and even reporting on everything and making sure that you get all of those tax liabilities taken care of. I'm very excited to take you on this journey, and I hope you're excited to get started with QuickBooks 2009 as well. If you're taking this course, you're probably in one of two places. Either you're preparing to enter a new career path, or you've already purchased the software and you simply need to know where to go from here. What I'd like to do with everybody before I get too far into QuickBooks skills is to talk a little bit about the fact that there are different versions. There's an Online Plus, Simple Start, Mac, Pro, Premier, and Enterprise. All of these versions allow for basic accounting functions like tracking expenses, paying bills, and managing sales, the things you'd think about. But the higher-end versions allow for more extensive customization, things like import and export of data, and advanced reporting. They also allow for more simultaneous users. Now, if you're a sole proprietor working by yourself or in a small company, then probably one of the lower-end versions will do. If, however, you have a larger company, maybe with multiple locations, then you probably want to consider the Pro, Premier, or Enterprise versions. The Premier and Enterprise versions also extend business planning activities by providing tools for forecasting, creation of business plans, supporting multiple locations, and also a sales pipeline tool. Of course, for a complete list of the version features and everything else you'd want to know, you can always go to the Intuit website to make sure you make a good choice. In addition to these, though, there are also other versions for different industries. The industry versions include one for construction, manufacturing and wholesale, nonprofit, professional accounting, professional services, and retail. These include special features like a customized chart of accounts, so you have exactly the tools that you need to work with your business. For this particular course, we're going to be working with the Pro version. But what I want you to know is that the features available in your version will be used exactly the same way as the Pro version, even if that's not the exact one you have. That's assuming, of course, that the feature is available in your version. And of course, we won't be talking about some of the high-end planning and analysis tools provided in the Premier and Enterprise editions. Regardless of the version you have, you need to be aware of what the features are so you can make sure you make the most of this fabulous tool.